What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. My name is Joven, and Volt Inu has continued to electrify the crypto space. It is not stopping. We're gonna cover the latest news and updates for Volt Inu in this video. The Volt army is super strong and they do not stop crushing in this space. If you're a part of the Volt Inu army, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. 643 subscribers. Let's get to 700. Before we get into the video, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project. The crypto space is very risky, very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, if we head over to the coin market cap of Volt, we will see that it's at rank number 238 out of 21,769 cryptocurrencies. Volt is number 238, guys. It is super bullish. The bear market is happening right now, and when we get into the chart, you will see for Volt, what bear market? Does a bear market exist for Volt Inu? It is insane. It's only a matter of time until it's in the top 200, the top 150, and the top 100. 19,678 people has Volt on their watch list, and the trade volume is up 13% on the 24-hour, $5.469 million in trade volume. We'll also take a look at the DexTools stats as well, because those are more accurate. Volt has one of the strongest communities in the space, if not the strongest. One of the best communities I've seen by far, guys. If we look at the community tab on coin market cap of Volt, nearly millions. Volt is going to make millions and billionaires very soon. Prepare for the wealth. And we have the lightning bolts. J Phoenix 1989 Volt, go to third coin per market cap. Screw the moon, let's chase down Pluto. Tell you guys, and if you look at the community engagement on coin market cap, you'll see there's a ton of likes, ton of replies, like 100 likes per reply on Volt, guys. It is insane how strong, how engaged the Volt Inu army is. Now, if we head over to DexTools and take a look at Volt, you will see while everything else was crashing in the market, altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum crashing, Volt is up 170% from the 21st of October. If you got in Volt last month, that would have been a great buying opportunity. Even on this retrace right here, this was on the 10th of November, guys, the 9th to 10th of November. You got in on that retrace, you'd be up almost 2x, 96%, guys. Volt is one of the most bullish projects in the space right now, and you cannot deny it. And right now, Volt is sitting just under $112 million in market cap. The future for this project looks very bright. For it to show so much strength against Bitcoin and Ethereum crashing down because of what happened with the Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX situation shows. Wait until a bull market comes around, guys. Wait until there's new investors in the space. Wait until VolteChange is released. And Volt is hyper deflationary as well. So when high supply meets demand, there's gonna be a supply squeeze on the price. Not to mention when VolteChange is released and there's gonna be transactions happening on VolteChange. I'm sure with that amount of usage on Volt, there's no telling how far the project could go, guys. Keep an eye on Volt. Not only is the team delivering, one of the best teams in the space that I've seen so far, but the community, the Volt Inu army, is one of the best. They do not stop spreading the word of Volt. They do not stop letting people know about Volt. You go to crypto Twitter, you spend around 10 minutes on crypto Twitter, the Volt Inu army is there letting you know about the project. That is very bullish. The social engagement for Volt is through the roof. One like I've never seen before in the space, guys. Can't imagine what's gonna happen for Volt when the markets are bullish again and Bitcoin and ETH, Doge, Shiba are all on a run and mooning like never before with the bull market. Imagine what Volt will do, guys. Now let's take a look at some of the news and interesting updates that I've seen from Volt. Tweet from the official Volt Inu. While this is already a great achievement, the VolteChange volume will be even more interesting to watch. As you know, more volume equal more buybacks and burns. Volt So this right here is a tweet from Crypto Love. Most traded highlight meme tokens the last 24 hours, and number one is Volt with 4.3 million in 24-hour trade volume. Baby Doge coming in second. Now keep in mind what was said right here. As you know, more volume equal more buybacks and burns. So when VolteChange is released and there's a ton of transactions happening on VolteChange, the team will implement way more buybacks and burns, which will create an even more hyper-deflationary aspect for Volt. Supply squeeze, the supply will just keep reducing at a rapid pace. The price stability will become even better as time progresses, and so will the price, guys. Let's say for example you're in a store and everyone is buying Volt Inu teddy bears for $5. The amount of supply of Volt Inu teddy bears keeps reducing, so the store owner can't keep up with the demand on Volt Inu teddy bears. So what does the owner of the store do to offset that? He increases the price of Volt Inu teddy bears. Now a Volt Inu teddy bear is $10 per Volt Inu teddy bear, you know what I'm saying? So imagine the price impact when there's already the hyper-deflationary aspect of Volt. Supply squeeze will have of Volt when VolteChange is released and there's so much transactions happening in the ecosystem. Another tweet from TalkPi Exchange. The exchange listings just keep happening for Volt. Volt Inu token listed on TalkPi, 368 likes, 244 retweets. Just a huge amount of exchange listings. Another tweet from the official Volt Inu. Voted update from our partner PRDT Finance, who just released a pro version of their platform. The new highly anticipated pro version is now live on PRDT Finance and accessible through the Polygon network. 3 to 30 minute time frames on crypto stocks and forex, bets in USDT or Matic. So Volt Inu also has a betting app on their site, and you could bet on the BTC price as well, guys. Another tweet from Volt Inu. Will we vote to the top 200 on CMC before VolteChange? I'd like to see that for sure. And we have a reply from Jake. Volt could be in the top 150 before VolteChange, guys. 377 likes, 214 retweets. The social engagement for this project is through the roof. None like I've seen before in the space. Exchange listing after exchange listing for Volt Inu. The team keeps delivering, guys. Emirex will list Volt Inu official. The more exchange listings Volt has, the more the trade volume, the more chances for Volt to get listed on tier 1 exchanges, guys. We have another tweet from Change Now. Assets across the market are fighting to stay on top amidst volatile conditions caused by FTX's saga. Despite uncertainties, TWT and DYDX spiked in the past week. Volt was also able to chart solid gains, hitting a 3-month high. Now there is alpha happening in the space right now surrounding self-custody wallets and decentralized exchanges. TWT is our Trust Wallets token, and DYDX is a decentralized exchange, and they have been increasing in price, as well as Uniswap. Because of what happened with FTX, a lot of people in the space are now turning to DeFi, turning to DEXs, turning to self-custody wallets. And what is interesting, guys, what is very interesting is that VolteChange is about to release. And what is VolteChange? A decentralized exchange. That is some alpha right there, guys. You have to follow the trends and patterns. Now that the majority of the crypto space is turning to DeFi and using more decentralized exchanges, VolteChange's utility just might shine with this new trend, this new alpha that is happening in the space. Let's take a look at the article from Change Now. We'll see Volt Inu has its own place on the article. Volt Inu. Volt was able to chart some solid gains, adding 47.6% to its price in the past week. The positive movement saw Volt Inu chart a 3-month record from 00147. Even as other altcoins wrestle with the bears, Volt is up at the moment. What bear market, guys? Not with Volt. Another tweet from Coin Mummy. VolteChange MVP 12 rise. DeFi comes with its security risks, of course. Our DEX aims to stay on the cutting edge in this realm too. Everrise serves as an inspiration to many, drilling the concept of securing smart contracts into our skulls. Stay smart, stay safe. And we can see that VolteChange will focus heavily on security, guys. That is very good to see. We have another tweet from Rodney, big name, trusted name in the space, 14k followers. Go to bed, Volt Inu sending. Wake up, Volt Inu sending. We ain't stopping. Hashtag Volt Army, Volt Inu official. 453 likes, 254 retweets. One of the strongest, if not the strongest communities in the space, and it is so accurate, and everything else is correcting. Volt just never stop sending, guys. So bullish. We have another tweet from KingAzi.eth. There's no other project that vaults as much as Volt Inu. 60 centralized exchanges, 15 dexes, 5 fiat gateways, dozens of partnerships and sponsorships, a play to earn game, 50k plus holders, a voted NFT collection, all in less than 10 months. VolteChange, the decentralized exchange making every crypto deflationary, is next, guys. That is such a great utility for VolteChange, making every crypto deflationary. Imagine when Shiba, Luna Classic, or other projects hear about that, they'll be like, wow, we gotta get on VolteChange, we gotta swap on VolteChange, and all of those transactions will help Volt Inu to become even more hyper deflationary. And we have an image right here just to see how Volt has been building throughout the bear market. How it started, 0 exchanges, December 2021. How it's going, 60 centralized exchanges, 15 dexes, November 2022. Almost 1 year later, the team keeps delivering and the community keeps growing. And we have one more bit of news to close the video out, something that really touched home for me from KingAzi.eth. Volt, the Green Ranger is vaulted. What are you waiting for now? JDFFN, Jason David Frank, it's morphin time. So the Green Ranger himself, guys, is now a part of the Volt Inu army. I grew up watching Power Rangers, so this really hits close to home. Volt is unstoppable, one of the better projects in the space. You can't count it out, guys. Volt Inu army, let me know what you guys think of the project down in the comment section. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. And if this is your first time hearing about Volt, let me know what you think in the comment section as well. Everything Volt and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.